Hey guys, the car set on fire in Thorncliffe, Toronto. It's a big F-150 truck. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. The people are still coming. They can't see that. Oh my god, this guy. Oh my god. Oh, this is crazy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god, this guy is stupid. Shit, did you hear that? The blast sound? Oh my god! Shit, look at the smoke, look at the smoke.
And this fucking police and the 911, nobody fucking picking up the call.
The 911 is not picking up the call. I think that everybody is calling. Oh shit!